Hi, this is Mike, and welcome back to the Mike Fixed It YouTube channel. As I've said in my previous videos, I have a 2019 Mustang GT on order, and I've been watching lots of YouTube videos. If you've seen my last few car vlogs, then I'm sure you were dazzled by the awesome quality of the selfie cam on my state-of-the-art iPhone 5. Think it can't get any better? Well, how about this? A GoPro Hero 6. Wow, what a difference. With a new car coming, I figured it's time I learned how to make my own car videos, just like a real YouTuber. So, instead of having you listen to me rant about a car I don't have yet, I thought we'd go for a little drive in my 2008 V6 Honda Accord. I'm armed with a Manfrotto Pixie tabletop tripod. And a Panavice Action Grip Suction Cup camera mount. So hang on to your screen because I'm going to give you a crash course in how you can make your own exciting YouTube car videos. Section 1. The Establishing Sequence. Don't forget the requisite startup muffler shot. You've got to have a muffler shot if you want to do YouTube videos. Section 2. Put your audience in the driver's seat. Section 3. Going for a ride. Here we are in camera position number 1. The GoPro is mounted to the passenger side door at wheel level. We're compressing time by speeding up the video by 4 times. After some more sped up video, we're going to switch to camera position number 2. The GoPro mounted facing forward on top of the car. We'll do a little dissolve to compress time, and we're going to switch to camera position number 3. The GoPro mounted on top of the car, looking to the right. Now with all this motion, the audience probably needs a little bit of a break. It wouldn't be a YouTube video without the essential slow-mo beauty shots of your vehicle. Back on the road, and we are ready for camera position number 4. The GoPro on top of the car pointing to the left. The camera is set to its widest angle setting. It does an awesome job of compressing these curves that we're going through, especially the left-hand curves. Now as we go through here, watch when we switch back to position number 3, the GoPro on the right. We did this pulled off to the side and then we edited it together. We got the camera ready for the Scenic slow motion cruise by. Video's back up to speed. We're getting ready for camera position number 5. Top of the car, looking back behind the vehicle. This looks awesome on curves. That leads us into the obligatory dramatic low-angle cruise by, which is followed by camera position number 6. The GoPro mounted on the hood of the car in the driver's position. I think this may be my favorite GoPro camera mounting position so far. It gives you the impression of what the driver sees, and that reflection just looks awesome coming off of the hood. Have to make sure you do a poll and let the audio come through onto your video. The next technique will be a transition. In this case, we're going to use the bridge. You ready? Here it comes. We're going to get off the road here and really put the GoPro through its paces. This road was awful. Look at how we're bouncing around. Look at the hood. But the GoPro image stabilization is doing a fantastic job of smoothing out the landscape. I also have to give the GoPro high marks for how it compensates for the change in exposure. Check out how, after we come out of the trees, it automatically adjusts for the lighting of the sky and of the water. Let's give the audience a break right about here. With all this motion, it's really nice to just settle down, park, and chill. We'll use a little technique here, which I call chop editing, where we take out parts of the video and then dissolve it together to compress time. And back out on the road. Up ahead, we're going to switch to our next camera position. Camera position number 7 is mounted on the hood, looking off the side of the vehicle. It's starting to get dark. This is what the video looks like with the low light setting. It's a little bit grainy, but the GoPro is still doing a great job. Time for a pit stop. How's this coming out? Pretty good? Hope so. Did a little cameo just to make sure you guys were still with us. Back on the road with camera position number 8. We have the GoPro mounted on the rear window behind the driver. You get a really nice over-the-shoulder shot. You can see the gauges, and I'm going to take you on a little trip that I call the Curve Montage. It's a nice twisty road, and we've edited out all of the straightaways, so you get nothing but curves. Check out that handling. This Accord is a beast. Here is a 10 times real-time video example. That's not fast enough for you? How about some 20 times? Well, it's good to be back. Hey, thanks for joining me on this drive. Really appreciate it. If you like this video, please subscribe, give it a like, and leave your comments in the space below. I look forward to having you along on my next drive.